If you're looking for a robot vacuum that can handle a variety of floor types and pick up pet hair and small debris with ease, then the Dreame D10 Plus robot vacuum and mop is worth considering. I was really impressed with its performance during my testing, and it offers a lot of features for a relatively affordable price. Let's start with the setup process. This vacuum was extremely easy to set up, both physically and through the smartphone app. Mapping the space only took about 5 minutes, which is a huge plus if you're looking for a vacuum that can get to work quickly. One of the things that impressed me the most about the Dreame D10 Plus was its ability to pick up pet hair and small debris like dirt and dust. I have a pet cat, and this vacuum did a fantastic job of keeping my floors free of fur and dust bunnies, even in harder-to-reach places. The mop feature was also a nice touch, and it was able to clean up coffee and orange juice spills thoroughly. Another great feature of this vacuum is its automatically adjustable suction. When the vacuum senses carpet, it increases the suction to ensure a thorough clean. This makes it an excellent option for homes with multiple types of flooring or a lot of rugs. I tested it on various surfaces, and it performed equally well on each one. Now let's talk about the price. For a robot vacuum with these features and cleaning capabilities, I was expecting to pay a lot more. In fact, I would honestly consider paying even more than the sticker price, as it surpassed my expectations. However, there were a couple of minor drawbacks I noticed during my testing. Firstly, the Dreame D10 Plus struggled with larger debris, like a plastic bit from a clothing tag. It's important to keep this in mind if you have a lot of large debris to pick up. Additionally, due to the lack of object avoidance, it also got a phone charger cord stuck in its rollers. So, you'll need to be careful about cords and other small obstacles when using this vacuum. Overall, I was extremely impressed with the Dreame D10 Plus robot vacuum and mop. It's easy to set up, navigate spaces efficiently, and has powerful suction that adjusts automatically depending on the floor type. While it may struggle with larger debris and cord avoidance, it's still an excellent choice for daily cleaning, especially if you have pets or deal with a lot of small messes. I highly recommend it if you're looking for an affordable and reliable robot vacuum.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.